Go for it. This is the wash away the day part. That Taz is exactly the same. Nice, good control. He's like, I help with lily pads. Look, I moved this one all the way over here. And then... Come here, big boy. Hi, Rocky, come here, boy. What's this? Come here, Poochie. Helping! Helping! He says, helping! Let me grab it off him, though. Your race is to get him before Rocky does. Yeah, absolutely. Perfect. Rocky's like watching with intent. Oh, that's my lily pad. I could really help right now. Ooh, interested dynamic with a step. He's done it. He's done it. Poochie's giving you kisses. Rocky, stop kissing him. Let's go for it. So floor to overhead. That's it. 2. Stay on the rubber crumb though. That's perfect. Even if you look like you've been under wobbly juice. That's it. 5.
I'll smite you. Maybe I should stand on the...
I can get this crash mat if you want to, but the main thing with this is the lift above the head. That's like full on tricep right now. You might struggle. Oh, he's done it. He's done it. Watch your melon. Okay. Yeah, let's grab a good grip. Let's do the last 2 properly, okay? Because despite it being a piece of equipment, it is actually a hammer. And if that hits your head, yeah, you may feel it. Nice push up. Beautiful. Last one. That was actually really good and controlled on the way down. Last one, buddy. Power of Odin. Go for it. Yeah, where no one can lift it. No one's worthy. Although Cap did make it move, didn't he?
Yeah, because
reference to the end game where it actually holds onto it. That's it.
This is shown when standing tries to move the hammer using a tow truck.
Yes.
It doesn't pull it because Stanley's driving it is trying to move the hammer.
Who's not worthy?
And actually,
So I guess if it works in an elevator, it means the elevator repairman's worthy.
Well, the elevator repairman probably isn't trying to move the hammer though.
This is true. Let's go for it, mate. Nice and straight to the side so you don't hit the T-bars. One arm's very good, one arm's just slightly up high. Nice and straight, so follow me. Okay, dead straight. That's it. That's it. 7, nice. 8. 9.